Sziasztok, Lapka Dávid vagyok, a bag rendezője, és itt vagyunk a Fridge Fesztiválon a Max jó voltából, és 6 csinos hostess line segítségével szétoztunk 500 ilyen bages karkötőt.
To make you the best monotony singing a song about banging a beagle or you're driving a regal, yo, it really doesn't matter, like taking a big shit while climbing a ladder, beagle or you're driving a regal, yo, wake up another day and the chicks to make you the best, wake up another day in the song about banging a beagle or you're driving a regal, yo, it really doesn't matter, like taking a big shit, wake up another day and about banging a beagle, banging a beagle, wake up another day and